Stop wasting money. Most people don't lose money in big moments. They lose it quietly, a few dollars at a time, without even noticing. A small purchase here, a quick payment there, and before you know it, your money is gone. Think about this. How many times have you ignored a budgeting notification or quickly tapped your phone to pay without thinking? These small actions feel harmless, but they repeat every single day. And that's where the real problem begins. Your bank account doesn't drop suddenly. It slowly drains because of habits you don't control. Subscriptions renew automatically. Apps charge you monthly. Services you barely use keep taking your money in the background. Streaming platforms, premium apps, hidden fees. You might not even remember signing up for some of them. But every month, they quietly take their share. It's like a slow leak that never stops. Look around your space. Clothes you don't wear, gadgets you don't use, items you bought just because they were on sale. That's not just clutter. That's money sitting there, unused. Many people confuse discounts with savings. Just because something is cheaper doesn't mean you needed it. Buying something unnecessary at a lower price is still a loss, not a win. Now think about food. How often do you buy more than you need, only to throw some of it away later? That's another hidden way money disappears. It's not always about what you spend. Sometimes it's about what you waste. Grocery stores are designed to make you spend more. Bright packaging, discounts, special offers. You walk in for a few items and leave with a full cart. Not because you needed it, but because it felt like a good deal. And then there's online shopping. Flash sales, limited time offers, countdown timers. They create urgency. They push you to act fast, without thinking clearly. But once the excitement is gone, regret starts to appear. That rush you feel when you click, "Buy now," is temporary. But the impact on your money lasts much longer. Learning to pause in that moment is one of the most powerful habits you can build. Packages arrive at your door. You feel happy for a moment. Then days later, those items sit untouched. The excitement fades, but the money is already gone. This cycle repeats again and again. Spend, regret, repeat. And over time, it builds financial stress. You start worrying at night. You check your phone, hoping your balance looks better, but it doesn't. You may even start avoiding your bank notifications because deep down, you already know what they will show. That anxiety grows when you don't face the reality. At the end of the month, reality hits. Bills are due, money is low, and you wonder where everything went. But the truth is, it didn't go in one place. It went everywhere. Now here's the turning point. The moment you decide to take control. Start by facing your numbers. Open your bank statement and look at every transaction. Not just the big ones. Look at the small ones. Highlight everything that wasn't necessary. This step alone can change your mindset. When you see how much you spend on things that don't matter, it creates awareness. And awareness is the first step to change. Next, separate your needs from your wants. Write it down clearly. Needs are things you cannot live without. Wants are everything else. Once you see it on paper, your decisions become easier. Now take action. Turn off auto-renew subscriptions. If you're not using it regularly, cancel it. You can always bring it back later if needed. Set spending limits on your phone or banking app. When you see that limit getting close, you naturally slow down. It creates awareness in real time. You can also remove your saved payment methods from apps. This adds one extra step before buying, which gives you time to think instead of reacting instantly. Start making smarter daily choices. Walk instead of taking a ride for short distances. Bring your own food instead of buying every meal. Refill your water instead of purchasing drinks again and again. These changes may feel small, but they are powerful. Because they happen every day. Before buying anything, pause. Give yourself 24 hours. If you still need it tomorrow, then consider it. Most of the time, you won't. This simple delay breaks the habit of emotional spending. It shifts your mindset from impulse to control. Use simple tools like coupons or price comparisons. It takes a few extra seconds, but it can save you a lot over time. You can also choose generic or store brands instead of premium ones. In many cases, the quality is similar, but the price difference is significant. Now introduce something powerful. No spend days. Choose 1 or 2 days each week where you spend nothing at all. This trains your mind to break the habit of constant spending. At first, it might feel uncomfortable. But over time, it becomes easier. You start realizing that you don't need to spend money every day. Track your progress. Mark those no-spend days on a calendar. Watch them build up. It creates motivation and discipline. Create a simple lifestyle. You don't need everything. You only need what truly adds value to your life. The less you chase unnecessary things, the more control you gain. Another powerful step is to sell what you don't use. Those unused items around your home can turn into extra cash. Instead of letting them collect dust, turn them into savings. Start saving small amounts consistently. Even loose change matters. What looks small today becomes meaningful over time. You can also set a weekly savings target. For example, aim to save $20 or $50 each week. Small goals are easier to achieve and keep you motivated. And something important happens when you do this. You start feeling different. More confident. More in control. Less stressed. Your money stops disappearing. Instead, it starts staying with you. You begin to notice opportunities to save instead of ways to spend. Your mindset shifts completely. Imagine reaching the end of the month and still having money left. Imagine not worrying about small expenses. Imagine having control over your financial life. That's what happens when you stop wasting money. It's not about being perfect. It's about being aware. It's about making better decisions, one step at a time. The truth is simple. You don't need more money to fix your finances. You need better habits. Start today. Make one change right now. Then another tomorrow. Stay consistent. Because once you take control of your spending, you take control of your future. And that's where real financial freedom begins.